Ladles and tablespoons as usual. Welcome to the second floor of Kamath Metropolis building in Prudent Media Studio, aka my room. You're with me, Nikhil Pereira, for another episode. And yes, as I had told you all last week we had Amul Maikar and Leo, didn't we? And we were talking about L'amour, the album that they've released, and it's quite a big budget album. So great stuff. They even made 2 music videos for it, and we showed one for y'all. We premiered one for y'all here on Upbeat and Prudent Media. And today we have with us, as I had promised, today we have with us a couple of youngsters. And finally we have girls on Upbeat. Whoever was questioning me about Nikhil, why aren't you having any girls on Upbeat? Your question has been answered. There were a lot of doubts being raised about my lifestyle, but then all that has been sorted out, thankfully. Well, so here you are. We have for us the singer of the track Love Me Too, Ulfa. Ulfa, yeah. Pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you.
And we have a sister, Tahura.
Hi.
Did I get that right? Beautiful names, Ulfa and Tahura. They're both sisters. Now, Ulfa was the singer on the track Love Me Too. She was giving the backing vocals. And the video that you are going to be seeing next, the other version of Love Me Too, which Amul didn't want us to show, but still we're going to be showing you all that video now. Not listening to him, or listening to him, Amul. And Ulfa is actually acting in this video. We saw Siddhi in the first video,
yes.
The last week. We saw Siddhi, if I'm right. And now this week we are going to see Ulfa in the video. So let's get straight to asking Ulfa, how was the experience acting in the music video?
It was very nice. Actually, I didn't know anything about it. Amul just took me one day to Margaon and he's like, you run with a dupatta.
Amul took you to Margaon?
Yes, once. Just, oh no, my mom was around.
Okay, her mom was around. Good. Good, she clarified. Huh? Good, she clarified. With all what's happening these days, it's good you clarified. Very happy. Anyway,
Yeah.
then what happened?
No, he just told me to run with a dupatta. He's going to take some shots. And yeah, it was done very nicely.
Run with the dupatta. So this is something similar to Bollywood, which you must have seen.
Yes. I was quite shocked. I didn't expect that.
Okay.
So yeah, I had to run with the dupatta in the fields like that. So
Run
it
with
was
the
done.
dupatta in the
It
fields.
was
It was simple, no?
nothing like
Nice, cool. That's it. I just ran with the
Nothing
dupatta
like
in the
that.
field.
Very filmy stuff.
Very filmy stuff, but still, it's not about it's not about how easy it is. It's about the fact that you finally, you pick up your life and you do something at such a young age. Like Ulfa, I'm not going to tell your age on TV.
17 was so great.
Wow. Okay. All these girls used to say, "Hey, I don't want to tell my age. I'm a girl and all that." Ulfa is an example. Okay, tell my age. I don't mind. Anyway, you're going to be seeing a Wikipedia page about her pretty soon, I'm sure. And we're also going to be talking to her sister, Tahura, who is a dentist.
Yes.
And you're also a lyricist.
Yeah.
So how did this happen?
It just happened by the way. There was nothing decided because actually Amul knew Ulfa. So one day when they came home, they just mentioned how I write poetry and stuff. And how I had been invited for this Kavi Sammelan thing.
Okay.
So that invitation card he saw. So he just gave me some track and he said, you write words.
Okay.
And so it just came out.
And
that way.
and which track of this album, just for our viewers, which track of this
For Dunya
album?
Meri, I've written the Hindi track.
Okay.
And there is one more called Listen to My Heart.
Okay.
It's a Konkani song and I've written the English wordings in that. Few lines.
Okay. Okay, cool. That sounds great. And we have these 2 youngsters here with us. We are chatting with them. The first girls on our beat. So whoever was raising questions, booyah to you on your face. Anyway, now without any further ado, I present to you the music video which Amul and his team made in just 2 hours time. Love Me Too, the black and white version of the video which we showed you all last week. Don't get me wrong, it's not just the video that we saw last week with the effect, which is a black and white effect, but it's a completely new video in which Ulfa is acting in it. So let's check out this video. We're watching Upbeat with me, Nikhil Pereira, on Prudent Media. Don't go anywhere.
तुझ्या मोगावीन रावून असो Love me do love me do फुलानी कळ्यानी या बेदून श्वासानी आनानी टेंब्यानी कळ्यानी झाडानी झाला तुझ्या मोगाचो गो असर stars from the sky. Nolyani, nadreni, isani, ratini, utrani, bitani, asapna, sapnani. Zala tuja moga togo osur. Have me do. With your love I can pull the stars from the sky. Ciło mozo zalapiso. Tuja moga vinra vonoso. Love me do love me do. With the love I can pull the stars from the sky. Uttawa padaku pancho bar malvani. Ango tu zobyo astai amori. Tanmane tu kavengo itele sanam. Love me do. With the love I can pull the stars from the sky. Ciło mozo zalapiso. Tuja moga vinra vonoso. Love me do love me do.
So we are in the Christmas season now, and we are still here. And what a video that was! Very well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know sometimes you have to lie, but still, great video and you know, well documented, if I might say, and well shot in just 2 hours. I mean, here we have a couple of youngsters who load up their van and they go with some musical instruments down to a location and they shoot a music video. So well done. And as Amul said, he used a tripod. So all the young mass comm students out there, use a tripod. For God's sake, don't be like me. You're a dentist, yeah. I should have come to you for my braces
You
treatment.
can come now anytime.
But my braces treatment is already done.
I can do some other fillings and stuff.
Yeah, actually, I have something. You know, I have a bridge here, which when I eat a chocolate, it pains a lot. So I think I can come to you for that.
Do that.
I will definitely. I will definitely. Have you heard of Shire and Funk in Bombay? Have you heard of any female artists in and around India which have inspired you all?
In music?
Yeah, in music.
Yeah, I've always liked the old ones. I mean, the Lata Mangeshkar, her music.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So
Even the new ones are quite good. Like
Okay.
Shreya Ghoshal and all. Very
Okay.
nice music.
Cool. And Pramod Acharya actually said that Shreya Ghoshal can go on to become the next Lata Mangeshkar. A big statement. Do not quote Pramod for this, please. Yeah. So you tend to like the classical side a bit. Could I say that?
A bit not so well, but yeah,
Okay.
I can sing classical a bit.
And you've had
Semi-classical.
Okay. And you've had any formal training in it?
Just 2 years I've learnt in Kala Academy.
Okay.
And after my 12th, I'll continue again. So I
Okay.
want to do something.
You want to do something. All right, that's great. Let's get to Tahura now, because Tahura is a dentist and she said she's a lyricist. So Tahura, when did you write your first poetry and what was it about?
My first poetry said something like, the sun is round like the bun. It comes in the night, it comes only when it's light and not in the night. And something really funny, and I can, it's still there at home. I go back and I read it, I'm like, oh my God, I can never be a poet. But then slowly, I don't know, I just kept writing, and then there was this, on this extempo competition in school, in 12th standard. So there in an hour, so I just wrote a poetry and I had won the first place.
Wow.
So from then I got inspiration, and then I just went on to write.
Okay.
lyrics and music and songs was never in my mind. It just happened because Amul
It's
had.
just a kind of a passion.
Yeah,
kind of a thing,
yeah.
which has got now sort of a direction, if I might say,
Yeah.
a funnel. Because
All thanks to Amul.
All thanks to Amul.
Amul, yeah.
Everybody's all praises for Amul. Great stuff. I mean, Amul is also a youngster and he's giving a chance to some more youngsters. So this is all about, promoting Goan talent, and this is exactly what we are doing on Upbeat. That's why we have two beautiful girls here with us in the studio who are young, and they're talking about their journey, which has just about started in Upbeat and in music. You have also started a journey with me on Upbeat. You were the first lady or girl appearances, first girl host. Yippee! Yippee! I like that spirit. So right now we are going to be checking out a track of Shire and Funk. Now Shire and Funk were down for Bacardi Blast yesterday, that is on Saturday, that is on the 19th of December. Happy Liberation Day, by the way, everybody, belated. But still, have the spirit, wish everybody Happy Liberation Day. And in another couple of years' time, another 2-3 years' time, we are going to be completing 50 years of Goan liberation. So that's quite a day coming up. Anyway, so Shire and Funk, let's get back to them. Monica Dongre and Mr. Randolph Correa, they both together formed some great music. I don't know if you guys have ever heard their track, but then when you'll go back home and watch this episode, you'll be watching Shire and Funk. Some great audio, some great lyrics as well. They play a lot with the effects, they put some echoes in the voice, they put some highs, lows, they keep on playing with the EQ, I guess. I don't know much of the technical side, but if I ask a couple of my friends like Amul and M-Zone and Kismat, the band Kismat, they'll be able to tell me the technical terms. Now, if you know what these technical terms are, just get in touch with me on features.prudent@gmail.com. I'll personally reply to you all. And also GOEMUB, all capital, space, your message, what this effect is called, to 59898. That's going to be some activity that we are having for you all, because I know sitting down in one place I'm becoming fat. Putting on a big, you agree with me on that? I can't believe it, she just agreed with me. I can't believe it, she said that I'm becoming fat. Anyway, I'm not a girl, so I don't mind becoming fat. But it's not any other effect. It's just that I'm not working out a lot, I think I should really get to... This is one more thing, we should all be working out a lot. We should all be not playing on Facebook all the time, Farmville and things. Do you play Farmville on Facebook?
I do.
You do?
I do.
I used to play Crazy Taxi, I've stopped that.